YouTube bar, click on the red subscribe button, and then ring the bell to get notified of all the new videos that are coming out. You can be on top of everything.
Championship, and
All
this
right, let's
message
jump
is
back in.
a shout out for Grumpy from Grumpy's Outlaw Kitchen. That's the name of his YouTube channel, and you should subscribe to it because he is making some pretty incredible recipes. I just saw he did a salmon recipe that looked really great, and he makes some great content, and you should be following him and subscribing to him on YouTube and other social media platforms.
I'm Grumpy, and welcome to the episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where today, you like sandwiches? Do you like the fancy sandwiches? Well, we about to get real fancy today. We're gonna make a panini, chips, and the sub sauce to go with it. So without further ado, let's make some terrible decisions. Alright, so being that we're doing sausage this week, I wanted to go ahead and hit you with an emulsification. So in order to do that, we're going to be making a submarine sauce. So a few things we're going to need is hot chili oil, crushed red pepper, red wine vinegar, of course our salt, dried oregano, and dried basil. And with that, we're going to make one hell of a sauce. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to get your oregano leaves, and we're going to go ahead and pour them in the cup. You're going to do about a tablespoon of that. Make sure it gets all in there. Then you're going to do your basil. You're going to do another tablespoon of that. Go ahead. Then you're going to get your crushed red pepper. Then you're going to do half a tablespoon. Getting it all in there in the funnel. Then you're going to go to your wet. So with your wet, you want to go ahead and get you a tablespoon. Put that in there. And one more. Just like that. Same thing for your red wine vinegar. One. Two. Now take that off, cap it, and give it a little shake. And that, ladies and gentlemen, emulsification. Now what you're going to do is add salt and pepper to taste. So, if you need some extra flavor, just like that, make sure you taste as you go. Just like that. Now you want to add a little bit more, but feel free. Gotta add another tablespoon more, that way you get a nice liquid body off that. Okay, there you go. Alright, after we finish everything, we're gonna take our nice sauce here, give it a good shake, make sure everything's filled together. And we're gonna give a little drip on top of our sandwich, just like that. And there you go. Alright, if you lasted this long watching my video, why don't you do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button, followed by liking. And then leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. I'll see you next time. I'm Grumpy.